This is an unusual stretch for the outer aspect of the hip. This one requires that you have some sort of object that you can rest your knee and upper leg on. So some sort of a table or stool. You want to come right up close to it, put the lower leg and knee on that, and then what you'll do is lean your hip and pelvis forward, but you want to have support to the lower spine, so I would suggest placing your hands here and then rotating the pelvis forward. It's not a spinal movement, it's a pelvis movement. And lean forward until you feel tension in the hip. The element that does influence the degree of stretch is the bend factor of the knee. So the more your lower leg is pulled in toward you, the less of a stretch you feel, whereas the more you push the heel away from your opposite hip, now as you bend forward, you'll feel quite a torque through the hip, and this is a stretch that you need to be very gentle with, and you want to hold a gentle stretching sensation, and I would hold it for 15 to 20 seconds, and the more you push your heel away from you, the more stretch you'll achieve through the deeper structures of the hip joint. I would be cautious with this stretch, but it can be useful. So if we were going to look at it from the other side, we'd start here. We're going to flex the pelvis forward until you feel stretch through the hip. The more you push the heel forward, the more stretching through the deep structures of the hip you'll feel. Hold it gently, don't force this, don't bounce, and hold it for roughly 20 seconds.